Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you how I'm going to lock this bag with this magnetic button right here, so you don't want to miss that for anything. So please stay tuned as we dive into the video. But before that, please subscribe to this channel already, give this video a thumbs up, share it for others to also know about it, and also don't forget to leave your suggestions or your comments in the comment section below. Let's dive into the video. So all you will need is your magnetic button, your scissors, your fishing line, and this is 0.7, and then of course your bag. So you can see that I haven't finished with the passing of the excess thread, so I'll do that later. But right now let's focus on how to lock the bag. So you separate it like this. So this one will be here and then this one will be here. Okay, so sometimes people choose to face this in, so I'm going to count to find the middle. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So that means we will have 6 here, 6 here, so 3 3 6. So I can fix it some here, somewhere here, sorry, like this. But sometimes if you don't be careful, the thread will get torn. Okay, so I'll press them down like this, just using your hand. There's no need for plier or stone, just use your hand to press it down and then press the other one on top of it like this. Okay, so now what we are left with is to lock the bag. So I'm dividing this thread. You don't need much thread. Okay, so let's fix this one first. So 6 here, 6 here, so we are fixing it in the middle. Okay, so 1 2 3 1 2 3, so here. Okay, but first this is where we are fixing the button. Okay, this 1 2 3 4, the middle here. So what I'm going to do is, if that is possible, you see the holes of these beads are very small, so okay, it won't go through. This one will, this one will. So the holes in the sea blue beads are very small, so I will just pass my, so when you press it down, you will have space in between where you can pass your thread. Okay, so I will just pass it there, and then I have missed the middle point. 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, so here, so since I can pass it through this one, this bead, so right now what we are doing is just finding ways and means to secure the locker. Okay, so you can improvise it however you want it. Okay, so like this, so you can continue passing your thread through. But while you do that, don't forget to also pass your thread through the other side of the locker. So the first one, I passed it through the side. Okay, there is something in the middle, so that lets you separate the side. So this side has the thread, so the other side is where I am going to pass my thread. I don't know whether what I'm saying makes sense. Okay, like this. What I am doing is, first one I did like this, and then pass both sides of the thread through some beads, and then next you pass it through the top side. Okay, like this, and then the other one also come like this way. Where is it? and then you pull. Okay, so you can actually do it like this and then fix it here. Okay, so let me fix this one. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 11 11. So I will fix it still in the middle here. Okay, so since the blue bead here has some space in them, so I have entered this bead with the top side of the thread. So I will enter the down one with the down thread. Okay, like this. And then it will be like, so you can continue fixing or entering some beads with your thread, if only there are spaces in the beads. Okay, so I'm going to show you if there are no spaces in the beads, what you're going to do about it. Please, as you are watching, don't forget to subscribe. So you can see I am having difficulties entering this bead here. So what you can do with this is that you can pass the thread to come this way. Okay, so when it comes this way, let me do it with this one. So it will come, it will show up here. Then you target where the other hole will be. Okay, so the down part here. So I will enter this side. Okay, and do same with the other thread. Enter some hole, let it come at the back here, so it came at the same direction, which is what we don't want. Okay, so I will remove it and fix it at another place. So it will come at the opposite direction, and then you pass it. So you will have a times or a multiplication sign here, so going this way and this way, crisscrossing each other. Okay, so when the both sides of the thread comes up here, now you wrap it around the down part of the locker. So this one going this way, and then the other one the opposite way, and then you tie. So you can tie it as many as you want, making sure it is secured. Okay, and here we are done. You can cut the thread. I don't know why I didn't cut this thread, they are worrying me. Okay, I'll tie it one more time. And if you really know you did it very well, you can cut it for me. Otherwise, you can continue tying the knot and then enter some beads. Okay, so I'm going to do same thing with this very one. It's raining, so kindly pardon me for the noise. Oh, so I'll do same thing here. And then I will cut. And there we have it. Okay, there we have it. Our purse is well locked. Okay, yes, so I have made a mistake and I want to show you. Okay, yes, I mean there's nothing to hide. You see where I fixed this one is up, but it was supposed to come down a little bit. So look at this one where this one will be, you spot that place, and that is where you are supposed to fix the down one. Okay, that is why you will have to always fix the top one first before down. So I will remove this and fix it down here. Okay, so I have removed it and then secured all my threads and cut them off. Okay, so I will place this one over here and then trace it out to where it's supposed to be. Okay, so okay, so here on these 4 seed beads here, so what I'm going to do is so this hole here, I'll enter that and come up from this very one, this place. Okay, light out, so I don't know whether you can still see. Okay, so it comes up like this, and then I will crisscross one side of this, and now go through this hole and come from here. Okay, so like this. Okay, with one side, and then where we just came from with this thread, I'll enter that place and then come up from the other side where we entered first. Okay, so that the two threads will be opposite to each other. Okay, so now you can wrap it around the down part like this, and then you can tie. And there we have it. So let's see how. Okay, so compared to the first one, you can see this one is very fixed this time around. Okay, I forgot to tell you something. You see where we fixed the top one, you can see the thread here. So what you can do is fix a brooch, or you can do a beaded ball or something nice and fix it on it. Okay. And here we are all done with our pairs. It has been loved. Thank you so much for staying with me. I hope you enjoyed this video very much. If this video was helpful for you, kindly don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and when you subscribe, please hit on the notification bell so that you will be notified anytime I upload helpful videos like this. See you in my next video. Bye bye.